Hey guys, it's JarekSonus here, and today we are going to be doing a top 5 best ultimates. Now, these are just my opinions. Let me know in the comments below what your opinions are. So, yeah. Okay, first off, guys, I'm going to go with Reaper. For those of you who are out there in the comments saying, hey, why are you putting Reaper on this list? It's because if you get Reaper into a big crowd, he's extremely good. He can kill multiple targets at once with Death Blossom. Okay, so as soon as it lets me respawn, I'll give you an example. Probably won't get a lot of people, but let's see as many as we can get. I don't know how many people are on it. Okay, let me get my invincibility. And another reason this is good, if you get invincibility with this, go into a huge crowd, you can murder people. Like, no doubt murder people. Okay, so it looks like they're going forward. That's not a joke. Murder them. Here, let's wait for the perfect time. That was kind of a bad example. I didn't get anybody. But Reaper is in the number 5th spot. Next on the list is Pharah. And she is in our number 4th spot today. And a good reason. Pharah can kill a multiple amount of enemies. While she's in the air, she can use Justice Rain from above, and she can wipe out almost her whole team. So let's go. Whoa. No. Okay, and that was Pharah's. Wait. Hey, look at that. I got on the board. Yay! Stacy. And we got a few eliminations and adjustive skills. But on to the next hero. Next on the list is Junkrat. He is in the 3rd spot because of his Riptire. And when Junkrat is used, he can be really good. So yes, you might be thinking, his specials only has 100 health and it's extremely loud. I just died with it. Sorry guys, I did a really bad example, but when you use his ultimate properly, it can be really good. Now just let me get this back again. Okay, I almost got his ultimate back. And it's done. A boost! Only got 1 kill, but I don't care. Next on the list is Genji's Dragon Blade. Genji is an extremely good character in Overwatch, especially when my cousin plays as him. But his Dragon Blade is really good. Also, Genji's Reflect can reflect a lot of things, but I'm mostly talking about his Dragon Blade. just like that. So as you could see, that was the second hero, and there is one more hero on this list. Well, who got play of the game? Let's see. Sheep. Okay, let's see how he got it. Just to be nice. I don't want to be a meanie. Okay, sheep. Okay, sheep. Okay, sheep. Woo, sheep. Sheeps are mean. Vote for sheep, I guess. He's not on my team. I'm just gonna vote for him. Stay's team. On to the best ultimate. And coming in first place for best ultimate, I guess you could have guessed it. It's D.Va. D.Va's an extremely good character, especially when her ultimate has been used. So, yeah. Let's wait for a perfect time to fight some crime. This does not look like a good time. That was not a good time, but who cares? And that was my top 5 list of best ultimates. Hope you've all enjoyed. And yeah, we're just going to finish this battle here. Don't think it's too much longer. I'm going to go to my main hero. Nope, he's already taken. So I'm the only tank. Oh great, I'm the only tank. Why? But I'm not saying D.Va's bad. Not saying that at all. So those were my top 5 ultimates. And yeah, leave in the comments what yours were. Okay guys, so I hope you all enjoyed. I'm gonna finish this off with me opening my loot box. Hopefully I get good luck from you guys. So yeah, and those were just my opinions of top 5 best ultimates. Leave yours down in the comments below. Yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Now we're gonna go open my loot box, not even care about voting. I don't think I'm gonna get anything good. Hey, I left the game. No legendaries. Ooh, but cool. Psst. Psst. I don't think I had that on the one count. Dude, that spray. Why is that? Intimidate. I'm so mad. Here, sure. Hey, what? What did that say? Yeah, I did equip it. Intimidate everywhere. Feel the burn. Strong as a mountain. Nobody cares if you beat shugs. Like that. So, yeah. Hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.